Hey, this is Naturally TC coming at you with this silk press video. Let me tell you, this shrinkage is so real. I don't think this client had ever had her hair pressed out before. I think this was her first press and she needs a pretty good trim. And I don't think she really realized how straight her hair could get. I think a lot of us are like that. If you've never worn your hair straight or never had it pressed, and especially if you have that kinky hair, you don't think that it could silk out, but really it really can. I've been using Kenra's line. They have a whole system for silk presses or humidity and things of that nature. Look at these chairs in the back with this tape on it. That was like when we first opened up, and Keisha was like, nobody is not sitting in these chairs, no guests allowed, only whoever you're serving. Anyway, so yeah, I'm using Kenra's products. They have a lot of products that are for thermal styling, high heat styling, from shampoos, conditioners, to serums, to blow dry sprays. And then there's like a heat protectant spray, so the whole thing. So I've been using the whole thing. I'm pretty happy with it. I don't have any complaints. The serum can be a little bit thicker, but okay. So I am going to go through, and first I'm going to blow dry my client's hair, and then I will go back and press it out, and I will go through it twice as far as the pressing. The first time I go through with the press is going to be very thin slices. The second time is pretty much just to set it for whatever the style is. And I do those pieces in bigger chunks. So that's what you'll see done here. It's a pretty simple, silk press. I am going to do a trim on her hair. And when you see how much could be trim versus how much I do trim, that's the difference between, when people come in, they don't really necessarily want that much trimmed off, even though you be needing it, because all that happens is that hair continues to break off. It continues to ride up the hair shaft where it's already split. But I get it, and especially if you don't wear your hair straight all the time, I don't think it's a huge thing, but you still need to trim your ends, ladies. Once a quarter, a good trim once a quarter will do you good, and you'll see so much growth. The hair will be so much healthier. But I don't even think I've seen her since we did this trim, now that I think about it. But that's like beginning COVID, so yeah, she should have been back by now. But what happens, and then, the hair will grow, but it doesn't really seem like it's growing if every time you get a trim, you're getting a cut instead of a trim. Big difference. So, yeah, check out the rest of the video like I always do. I like to do a little bit of commentating, but I cannot talk through this whole video. It's like too much, and I like to just watch it. Like I'm watching it as I'm doing my voiceover, which is pretty cool. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook, Naturally TC. I think I have a Book It Now button in the banner on my YouTube page. So if you're ever in the area, come see me. Holla at your girl. It's Naturally TC.